I'm in trading already more than 13 years. And during this period of time, I saw so many indicators, trading strategies, EAs, and the signals that sometimes I need not more than 5 minutes to identify, is it really something good? Should we spend our time on it, or no need to waste our time, and the most important, the money? So what happened? Last time when I was doing review and I was searching for the best MQL5 signal for subscription, I found one signal that from far looks very good and profitable. It has good statistic, like good history, everything. But when I did visualization on the chart, so I check exactly how he's trading, I find out that he's using averaging. And you know me, I hate this kind of style of trading. And I mentioned that I'm not recommending the signal for subscription. Even this signal provider was one of the top by MQL5 rating. After that, I got a few messages from the people that, Alex, why you are so pessimistic about this guy? I subscribed to this guy like 2 months ago and I'm pretty happy with the result. That I answered that the problem is trading style. So you can earn, but small in comparison to potential of your risk. What happened? Last month, this guy lost around 30%. And overall minus for his subscribers, he made around $30,000. What does it mean? It means that I know something about trading strategy, about bots, and about EAs. But let me show you in this video my own rating, my own top signals that I can really recommend for subscription in August 2025. So let's start. So guys, this signal that I show you today, he didn't make the biggest minus, I just want to show you one more time and to deliver this main idea that please don't be driven by the result and motivated by the result that was made by martingale and the averaging strategies, because in the end everything coming to the same point, they are losing money, those strategies, they are not working, and I test so many strategies, signals and A's by my own, so I can tell you that from the beginning. And this signal what I showed today, it's very light, things in comparison with the signal what happened long time ago. So long time ago in MQL5 there was one signal calling northeast way. He was like making result consistent profit for around 3-4 years, and he gained during this period of time, first of all, lots of subscribers and lots of money was subscribed to the signal. So imagine in this video that I made this video 3 years ago. It was my biggest prediction because I made the video, and after that I got lots of hate comments about that because I mentioned that this MQL signal is in top, but it's not top at all, and I showed and explained like why. So when I was doing this video, he had, imagine, 390 subscribers, and total amount that was subscribed to the signal was 9.6 million. In the peak point of the signal, he had like $14.1 million of the deposit subscribed to the signal. What happened in the end? He blew all this money. So one more time, I'm trying to explain it to you. No need to trust to any kind of the martingale. They might work just for the short period of time. And this is it. Let's close this subject. And right now I want to show you my signals that I was subscribed to for the last previous months. It was working good, but with some of them I decided to keep and some of them I decided to cancel. So the first signal is no pain MT5. I was subscribed to this guy around 3 months. 3 months like profitable, but I decide to cancel subscription because he's generating some small plus, so for example, okay, I was multiplying the volume, so for me it was okay, but when I count like expenses on the signal and how much money he made, this is not something what I'm looking for, because still Forex investments in Forex, we are involving our capital into the risk, so I at least want to gain something from it. And with this particular signal, it was very, very hard, so that's why I decided to cancel subscriptions. But at the same time, he was profitable. So if you're a conservative type of investor, please subscribe, and I think you will be not disappointed with the result. This guy, I found him last time during the stream. I was testing the stream. please like check it. If you like it, make a comment, maybe I'll do this one more time. So I'm pretty happy with the result. He's trading good, so he was making it in the beginning, his profit was even higher than in the end of the month. He lost something, but he's still in plus, so I decided to keep it. Next guy, MSG Gold Invest Pro. By the way, I really like this signal. Even last month he made the minus, he fixed this like loss and slowly start recovering it. So I don't have any kind of question to this guy. I still give him chance, let him work, and we'll see what kind of results he will produce. Another signal, I was recommending him long time ago. I just tested him for 1 month. He has the minus here or 15% of July, but I didn't took it, you know, because I like cancel subscription way more faster than it happened. What I find out, strategy is not bad, but listen, this kind of profit, like he's trading, for example, for 1 year, and he made just overall profit of $290. I understand that maybe in comparison to his deposit, this is not bad, you know, but it's very hard to copy the signal, especially if you have like bigger account, you know. So for me, I didn't find this guy like attractive, so I was just using for 1 month, especially in June. And this is it. And the last signal, this is Andorra trading pack. With this guy I took this minus, not full, but I took this minus. And I like how this guy is working. Just I didn't like one thing, that there is no like diversification. It's look like he's trading lots of the instruments at the same time, but still the biggest like, you know, pressure and the biggest impact, it's coming from the gold. And what I didn't like and what he changed, you know, so he right now start trading gold a little bit slower than it was before, because before he was trading gold, you see, with the higher like lot value, lot size in comparison with another signals. That's why like gold was making huge difference, and this is why this minus happened. By the way, I think he took just 2 big stop losses, 3, you see, 1 to 3 big stop losses, and this is how it's like converted to his account that he made the minus of 15%. So I decided to keep from my previous portfolio just 2 signals. This is the MCS Gold Invest Pro and also this like person, and I'm happy with them. And let me show you what is the best signals that I can really recommend you for subscription. So guys, I will show you 6 signals. For 3 of them you can do subscription even after watching this video immediately. And for another 3, I'm recommending you more to watch them, how they are working, how they are performing for the next months, and then you will be able to make a decision. So let's go direct to the signals. The first signal I can really recommend you for subscription, this is Relax EA. First of all, look at his history. Maybe he's not generating huge profit, but he's very consistent. He's trading in plus from the beginning, like from the end almost of 2020. This is 5 years. I think it's very impressive, and it's very rare to find something like that. Another things what I really like, look, if we'll go to statistic, he made 1,638 trades, and he's holding like percentage of the profit trades around 76%. I think it's something impressive. And the third thing what I like, of course, no like martingale and diversification, but the third thing what I like, look how he's diversifying his portfolio between the different trading signals, you know, and the profit also. That's why he's like able to maintain this kind of plus on his account for so long period of time. So this signal I can recommend, and I will do the same. I will subscribe to the signal after recording this video. The next signal that I can really recommend, it's called Dollar Yen Stability Pro Gross. This guy knows something, you know, because he's also trading without any kind of like a multiplier. I check already his trades, you know, so I did the visualization of his strategy on the chart, and I can see exactly that he's trading for almost 10 months. Only 1 month was in minus, trading just one instrument, dollar yen. He's making plus, so by statistic, you know, 87% of the trades in plus. So this guy, it's also very interesting for subscription. The third signal, very unique, and you will never be able to find this signal, because in overall rating on MQL5 website, I will show you right now, he's on 543 place. So you know how many pages you should scroll to find this guy. And he's trading just gold. He's also like his profit rate is around 62%. I also check the visualization of his trading strategy, and it's really nice, nothing risky, you know, and he's making profit. This is the most important what we are searching for. So these 3 signals I can recommend for subscription as soon as possible, and let's go for another, guys. First of all, this is the trade is chill. He's making profit, and the profit by itself, if you can see like by yearly profit, is something impressive. What I didn't like in this kind of signal, that his profit rate just 31%. That's why I'm saying like you need some time, you know, to discover on the way how he's trading. I understand why he's making this kind of profits, because there is the huge ratio, you know, like proper ratio between the stop loss and the take profit. So for example, his worst trade was $94, best trade in plus was 169 profit, which is not bad. I think it's average profit. You see the ratio between the stop loss and the take profit. Average loss is $9, you know, average profit is 23. So it's around like ratio, it's 2.5. The next signal, you know, in some cases it's look the equity it's not really nice, you know. That's why this guy, by the way, you will also without me you will never be able to find the signal. So from the beginning, because of that, like put the like and subscribe to this channel. But this guy, an MQL5 rating 1019, you will never be able to find this guy. Why it's happened that the equity it's not very nice? Because he was trading, as I understand, with the bigger balance. Overall his profit, he made $14,000, but in some point, you know, he withdrew $4,600. That's why he's trading in plus, you know, but he cannot like recover 100% from this previous minus. But as you can see, look at the yearly profit percentages, it's like simply wow. And he's also trading really nice distribution between the signals. I feel that it's a bit aggressive with the trading volume, so that's why I want to see exactly, you know, how he's working on the real account, a little bit to track his performance, and after that I will make a decision if I will go like move forward with this signal, and I will just keep. And this guy, it's also not very bad, but also I didn't like the percentages of 35. But these 3 signals I think that you need to take for consideration, and just to see exactly how they are working. And at the same time, these 3 I can easily recommend you for subscription. So this is it, guys, for today. Share your results and signals that you subscribe to in the comment sections. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in our next one.